sonar robot. And the sonar robot, that means you can actually put the penetrator to monitor your network. And then every time there's a new device connected to the network, that penetrator can be alerted and automatically scan this device. So for example, let's say you have your organization and it's lunchtime, maybe 12 o'clock, and some guy walks in, a hacker guy with a FedEx hat or UPS hat, looking like a courier guy. And he have a laptop with him. And this laptop is actually running a Linux system because it's a hacker guy. And then he walk in somewhere and there's nobody in the reception. He go to a meeting room, simply connect in the laptop. And then the penetrator can discover this. And then it can see, at 12 o'clock, we had a Linux system in the network. And the penetrator will even do a scan of this system and send to admin. And then the customer know we only have Windows systems. So how we could have a Linux system at 12 o'clock on the network. So they know they had some hacker guy walking into the building and doing some local attacks that way. It can also be just somebody walk in and then he have a little Raspberry Pi device he put somewhere on the network, and then the penetrator will detect this, and again it will discover we have a Linux device in the network. It is possibly a hacker system. So this way you will get a notification, and then you can look in the surveillance cameras if you had any suspicious person walk in, because a lot of hacking happens actually. They just walk into the building and there's nobody in the reception, or they say they are there to deliver a pack. They find an empty meeting room and they connect in the network, bypassing firewalls and everything. So that's a very good functionality.